Hi. In this section, we'll take a look at how Asanify handles another important function that related to hiring. For companies which are growing fast, hiring is always a key focus activity for HR. Let's look at how Asanify can help you simplify that. As an admin, if you go to the hiring module, there are 3 or 4 sections within hiring that you can see. Let's start with the careers page. Asanify helps you create a careers page which allows you to do the job posting for all the open positions in your company. And you can actually create a careers page which is customized exactly as per your specifications. As you can see, you can add your company logo, a company specific banner. You can give all the details about the company. You can even customize the body color, header color, font, etc. to make sure that it looks exactly as per what your guidelines of your company is. Let's have a look at what this public page of a career website looks like. So if you look at the screen right now, and I will just open it into one of the pages of Asanify. Let's see what the career page actually looks like. So you'll see your company logo appears on top, the banner that you would have put, all the details about the company, whether it's the company information, culture, perks, video testimonials. You can pretty much put a link for everything, and at the bottom, all the open positions for the profile that you're looking at. Let's have a look at when I click on any of these positions. Asanify will detail out all the job description, what is the qualification, what are the salary benefits, each of those things for the candidates to have a look at what the company is looking for. For small businesses, hiring is often the most important area because you're looking to grow your team, and it's very important to give that initial good impression to your prospective employees because you want them to feel good before they join your organization. In the career module, apart from the career page, like I said, you can create a job post. You can also share those job posts on LinkedIn. Like most businesses, LinkedIn becomes a rich source of attracting good talent. We have deep integration with LinkedIn, and whatever job postings you're making on Asanify, in a single click can also be posted on LinkedIn. When the candidates are applying for any of these positions, the candidate details can be added on Asanify either one by one or as a bulk upload, and the offers can be rolled out using Asanify itself. Let's take a look at how that works. In the template section, you will see that we have also loaded some of the standard templates, or you can create a template of your own. There is no restriction of how many types of templates you may want for offer letter rollout. You may have interns in your company who are given a certain type of offer letter, full-time employees being given some other type of offer letter, or consultants being issued some offer letters. Each of those things is possible quite easily on Asanify. If I click on create new template, you will see that I can either upload the Word document that I already have of my company offer letter, and it can get automated using Asanify, or I can load the default template, which will give the standard offer letter format, which you can customize for your company, and then this becomes a template which starts getting issued out to your prospective candidates. You will see in the default template, there are multiple variable placeholders within these curly brackets that you might see. These are all the variable fields that get picked up for each candidate separately when you're rolling out the offer letter. So in effect, you just have to upload the template once, and depending upon which candidate's profile, CTC, date of joining, all those details get dynamically picked up from Asanify. We've put out some 50 odd variable placeholders, and these are the things you can customize in your offer letter quite easily. Yeah. Once the template is loaded, like I mentioned, that rolling out the offer becomes literally at the click of a button. If the status of the candidate has been offer generated, you can send the offer email from Asanify itself, and the PDF of the offer letter gets sent out to the prospective candidate. Yeah. With this, your hiring module gets complete on Asanify. Thank you.